Welcome back after the break. You're watching Markets at Noon with me, Ankur Mishra and Kanishka Sarkar. And let's shift focus to Som Distilleries, where Q2 numbers have been released. And it's a mixed set of numbers to discuss the earnings. We have with us JK Arora, Chairman, Som Distilleries and Breweries. Mr. Arora, welcome. Your Q2 revenue declined to weaker sales in Karnataka, but you're expecting a bounce back for the remaining year. What specific and tangible actions management is taking to reverse this sales decline and ensure that the expected recovery materializes in the second half of the current financial year?
Yeah. You see, if you largely look into the beverage industry, especially beer business, it is all the beer companies all across India. There is a big downfall in the sales. Som is the company which is the least affected. It's a minimum affected. But if you look at the leading company who is having the benchmark for any beer company is a United Breweries. It's a Kingfisher beer. They have also, if you look at their results, or other company, Budweiser and all. So looking to that situation, the Som performance is among the best all beer companies. If you look at the profit is 41% from 40%. And for the first half, we have about 288 crores to 300 crores. And EBITDA performance also, if you look at, it's from 35 crores, it is now 40 crores. So if you look at the profitability, despite this decline in the sales, our decline is minimum in comparison to the other beer companies. For the reason that beer season is April, May, June is the most of the sale happens in these 3 months. But if you see across India, the June, the monsoon is started. So June month is a major sales month, and all the companies have lost the sales in this month because of the heavy rains in this year. Another reason for this Karnataka government because there has been an exceptional growth in the last 4 or 5 years in the Karnataka. Karnataka government has become more greedy and they put the extra taxes and all that. So resulting the industry as a whole has gone down by more than 30%. So when they realize that this is their blunder and they have made a mistake by increasing the revenue in a disproportionate manner, they have corrected it. But it is taking little bit of time to come back the consumer from liquor to beer again. But now since they have made the correction, the situation has started improving in Karnataka. All the companies if you look at UB has gone down by 16%. Budweiser has gone down by about 12%. Carlsberg has gone down by 3%.
Yes.
So looking to all that situation, and if you look at our results, especially profit part, EBITDA, profit before tax, profit after tax, probably the Som performance is the best in the beer industry.
Correct. So since we are, Mr. Arora, since we are talking about, segments, you did enter the mid-premium whiskey segment last quarter, right, with Mahavat Whisky. Just wanted to understand how has the response been so far and what kind of growth is it contributing to for the company?
We have launched so far only in 3 states. It started with Madhya Pradesh, which is our core market, and Delhi, which is a cosmopolitan market. And recently, last month, we have launched in the UP, which is the biggest state in this thing. All 3 states are doing exceptionally well, and we are quite hopeful. As I have said in my last interview also, that there has been an exceptional growth in the beer segment last 4 or 5 years. And if you look at the Som performance in the last 3 or 4 years, Som has done exceedingly well in the beer segment. But beer has reached to a level where the now exceptional growth may not be there. we have decided to push it the IMFL segment. So now we are concentrating on IMFL. Som has an advantage that this is the only company in the alcohol sector which has got both beer and liquor. So now we are focusing on the liquor, and we hope the kind of growth you must have seen in the Diageo and the Redigo and all companies. There has been a good growth in the IMFL. What has been happening into the beer industry in last 3-4 years? We are
All
hoping
right.
to that happen in the
All right,
liquor
Mr.
sector
Arora.
next
Yes,
3-4 years.
point taken. And as you are mentioning that IMFL is a segment which you are looking forward to, not only just beer. But with this, thank you so much for joining and explaining the earnings in Q2.
Thank you.
And with this, it's time to take a very quick break. After the break, a lot coming up.